Today, you are going to learn about the first law of thermodynamics. In the first law of thermodynamics, three things are related. The first one is change in internal energy and heat supplied to the system and work done by the gas or system on the surrounding. These three factors are related in the first law of thermodynamics. How to say the statement of the first law of thermodynamics? The change in internal energy of the system is equivalent to the heat supplied to the system minus work done by the system on the surrounding. So this is the statement of first law of thermodynamics. Depends on the conditions, the del U may be either it will be positive or negative. It depends on the condition, sometime Q may be positive or negative. Depends on the conditions, W may be positive or negative. So we have to follow the sign conventions for all the three factors. Clear. According to that, we have to substitute. Here, you should know what is internal energy. Due to the supply of heat, what will happen? The internal energy, that one increases from U1 to U2. Are you clear? So, in LHS factor, del U is there. Why del U is used? Because due to the supply of heat, initially the internal energy may be U1. After the supply of heat, the internal energy increases from U1 to U2. So, here internal energy increases. So, we have to find out the difference between the final internal energy and initial internal energy. That difference that gives you del U. In this case, del U is positive. So, clear. Now, we are going to see the successive cases. In other cases, sometimes del U may be negative. So, let us learn about the sign conventions of all the three factors one by one. Are you clear? Again, I will repeat how to say the statement of first law of thermodynamics. Change in internal energy of the system is equal to heat supplied to the system minus work done by the system on the surrounding. This statement must be appropriately written in the examination. Understood? So here when heat is supplied, what will happen? The piston, it starts moving. Are you clear? The gas or internally something is filled up now, that is called system. Either it may be liquid or gas. So because of the heat supply, what happens? It expands and the piston starts moving. So the gas, it pushes the piston. So here some amount of work is done by the gas or the system. So you should know the three factors here: heat supplied and then work done and change in internal energy. So on the LHS side, which factor is there? Change in internal energy is there. Are you clear? So you have to relate all the three factors in proper form. Understood? To solve the problem related to first law of thermodynamics, knowing the sign convention is very important. Here, I will explain one by one. We have to remember and follow it while doing the problems. First, look at the first one. If heat is supplied to the system, the heat supplied, that should be taken as positive because the system, it gains the heat. So, Q should be taken as positive. If heat is liberated by the system loses the heat. Therefore, Q should be taken as negative. Q must be taken as negative. If work is done by the system, that is, if the gas, if it pushes the piston in the outward direction, there the work is done by the system. There work done, W must be taken as positive. If work is done on the system, for example, if you compress the piston, then work is done on the system, therefore, W must be taken as negative. So, in the fundamental formula, first law of thermodynamics, this is the expression of the first law of thermodynamics. So, in this expression, depends on the conditions, we have to substitute the values with appropriate sign convention. Only then we are able to find out whether the del U is increasing or decreasing, U is increasing or decreasing, whether the del U is positive or negative, everything can be found out. So, del U value, clear, that could be found out only by knowing the what is that? The sign convention. Understood? Now we are going to learn four cases. First we will see the first case. Look at the cylindrical arrangement within which the gas is filled up. So within which that gas is called system. Here heat is supplied to the system. That Q is nothing but heat supplied. That is given to the system. Let us imagine the heat is supplied to the system, no, that's why we have to take it as positive. As per the sign convention, it should be taken as positive because that heat is supplied to the system. In the meantime, heat is gained by the system. Therefore, we have to put tick here. Understood? So, let us imagine the value. We will assign some value for Q. So, let us imagine 10 joule amount of heat is supplied. A part of the heat that is converted into work. After the supply of heat, that gas expands. After the expansion of the gas, that gas it pushes the piston towards upward direction. Therefore, the work is done by the system. Since the work is done by the system, what will happen? As per the sign convention, we have to put tick here. Understood? Both are positive. Are you clear? Q is also positive. Work done is also positive. So let us imagine. So clear. The work done by the system can be taken as 5 joule. 5 joule amount of work is done here. Let us substitute both the two value in the formula. So in the formula, if it is substituted, 10 joule minus how much? Plus 5 joule must be substituted. So after that we will be getting plus 5 joule. Are you clear? So it shows that the change in internal energy value is positive. Are you clear? Change in internal energy value is positive. Change in internal energy is positive means initially the internal energy is low. Are you clear? After the supply of heat, after the work done, what happens? The internal energy increases. So U2 is greater than which one? U1, and the change in internal energy is how much? Plus 5 joule. It shows that the internal energy increases. Internal energy increases in this case. Understood? Can you understand the point? Internal energy increases. And then the del U value, that one becomes positive. So depends on the Q value and the W value alone, we are able to find out whether the del U is positive or negative, whether the internal energy increases or not, that could be found out. So this is the conclusion in the first case. Now we are going to learn the second case. In this case, the piston position is at A. Are you clear? Two things are happening. You are supplying the heat. In the meantime, you are pushing the piston towards downward direction. That's why I have written the title. Are you clear? Heat is supplied to the system, and in the meantime, work is done on the system because you are pushing the piston towards downward direction. So the initial internal energy can be taken as U1 in the position A. After bringing the piston from A position to B position, the new internal energy is U2. We have to check it up whether the internal energy increases or not. Are you clear? How to find out? Let us assign some value. Here heat is supplied to the system. Let us imagine, is it clear? 10 joule amount of heat is given. So since it is heat is supplied, that should be taken as positive. So as per the sign convention, since heat is supplied to the system, what we have to do? Heat is gained by the system. Therefore, it should be taken as positive. Here, the piston is pushed towards downward direction. Since the piston is pushed towards downward direction, work is done on the system. Work is done on the system. Therefore, work done on the system means it should be taken as per the sign convention, it should be taken as negative. So here, let us imagine how much amount of work is done. Let us assign some value. Minus 5 joule. Are you clear? How much? Since it is negative, it should be taken as minus 5. Okay, you should know how to substitute the value. Since work is done on the system, it should be taken as negative. Very important one. Are you clear? Now we will substitute both the two values in the formula. Q value is positive. Therefore, plus 10 joule. Minus of minus. Substitute this value. Minus 5 joule can be substituted. So, plus 10 joule. Plus 5 joule. So, totally what happens? 15 joule positive. So, it shows that the change in kinetic, so change in internal energy is positive. Change in internal energy is positive means what happens? Initially the internal energy is low. After the push, what happens? After the supply of heat, after the push towards downward direction, internal energy increases. Therefore, U2 is greater than U1, and then del U, that value as per the formula is positive. So it shows that internal energy increases. Internal energy increases in this case. Understood? Now we are going to see the case 3. In this case, work is done on the system and heat is liberated by the system. Let us imagine the initial position of the piston is at A. Now the piston to be pushed towards downward direction. Since the piston is pushed towards downward direction, it is said that work is done on the system. Let us imagine, since the work is done on the system, as per the sign convention, what we have to take? As per the sign convention, work is done on the system, therefore it should be negative. Are you clear? So I will assign some value. Let us imagine minus 5 joule amount of work is done. Are you clear? Minus 5 joule amount of work is done on the system. When it is pushed downwards, what happens? The piston moves from A position to B position. When it was at A, the initial internal energy can be taken as U1. After pushing towards downward direction, after coming to the new position B, the new internal energy can be taken as U2. Now we have to find out whether the del U is positive or negative. And here, because of push, what happens? Here it is pressurized. The heat is liberated out. Are you clear? The internally some amount of heat is generated now. If it is liberated out, that Q is taken as, that should also be taken as negative because heat is liberated here. Are you clear? Let us imagine here some amount of heat is liberated. So let us imagine 10 joule amount of heat is liberated. So here that one can be taken as negative. Are you clear? Substitute both the two values in the formula. First law of thermodynamics formula. The value of heat liberated is taken as negative. Therefore, minus 10 joule must be written. Minus, already in the formula minus sign is there. Since work is done on the system, the value of work done must be taken as negative. So on the whole, what happens? 10 joule, here if both are taken, that one will become positive. So plus 5 joule must be written. After that, what happens? The final answer will be minus 5 joule. So the change in internal energy, that one becomes negative. It shows that initially the U1 is greater. Are you clear? When it comes to new position U2, the internal energy decreases. Are you clear? So U1 is greater than U2, therefore del U, the del U value, that one is negative. Are you clear? Here initially internal energy is more, finally internal energy is less. Therefore, finally the conclusion is, it should be written like this: internal energy of the system decreases. Internal energy of the system decreases. From this value itself, we can easily say that internal energy of the system decreases. Understood? Now we are going to learn the final case. In this case, some amount of heat is there already, that is liberated out. Since the heat is lost, the heat loss must be taken as negative as per the sign convention. Let us imagine 10 joule amount of heat is lost to the surrounding, therefore minus 10 must be taken. Here in the meantime, the piston, it is moving towards upward direction. The system that pushes the piston towards upward direction, therefore the initial internal energy in the A position can be taken as U1. Because of the push, it goes to the new position B, the new internal energy can be taken as U2. Are you clear? So here the work is done by the system, therefore it should be taken as positive. So let us imagine 5 joule amount of work is done by the system. It should be taken as positive. So we will check it up whether the del U is positive or negative. Q is, that is last, therefore minus 10 joule must be written, minus of, here the value of the work done must be taken as plus 5 joule must be written. So what will happen? 10 joule minus 5 joule, if both are added you will get minus 15 joule. So finally it is found that the change in internal energy is in the form of negative. minus 15 joule is the change in internal energy. It shows that initially the internal energy, it is more. Are you clear? So the internal energy is greater here at A position. So it is greater compared to U2. Are you clear? So therefore the change in internal energy is how much? Negative. Are you clear? Then the value is negative. It shows that internal energy decreases. Internal energy decreases. So when it moves from here to there, the internal energy decreases. Internal energy of the system decreases. Understood? Internal energy is different, change in internal energy is different. To calculate the change in internal energy, two internal energies must be known: initial value and final value. Only then we are able to find out the change in internal energy. That is the most important thing. Are you clear? Here work is done by the system. In the meantime, heat is lost from the system. Understood? So we have learnt all the four cases. All the four cases have been dealt with the help of sign conventions. Understood? So I will give one problem. So clear? With the help of the sign convention, try to solve it. Understood?